Hi Steffen.
Hi Andy.
How are you doing?
Everything good, and you?
Good. Let's talk about consumer electronics.
Yeah, for sure.
What do you show here?
Yes, if you look here on our examples, so in the consumer electronics, we have few different materials. So here, for example, we have an aluminium case. Here we have a titanium case, but you can find also many different materials like plastics.
All right, okay, and let's talk about our customers. What are the requirements of our customer when it comes to case machining?
Okay, very good question. So let's go a little bit deeper in the titanium case. So we have here several requirements from the customer side. If you would like to machine a titanium case, a watch case, so you need minimum 50 to 60 cutting tools, and
because of the geometry, right?
Different geometry, different shape, different profile, specially adapted to the specific needs from the customer side.
Okay, I see here now different diameters. So what is the range in diameters that we supply here?
So we are talking about really micro tools, but also bigger dimensions like diameter 12. So micro tools, we are talking about 0.2 millimeter.
All right.
And the bigger diameter, as I said, diameter 12 or 16. Yeah. So you need really a specific grinding machines for each dimension, yeah?
All right. Okay, well, when I see the coating, I mean, titanium is quite, we know titanium since many years from the aerospace. So what is the specific coating and cutting tool design you use here for the phone case?
Yeah, let's go to one single application. So if you look on the watch, the top surface here, so here we have to achieve a very good surface finishing, and here we have developed a specific face geometry to achieve really the latest face finishing on a watch case in titanium machining. And also, if you look to the surface of the coating, is very good. So you can't find any droplets on the cutting edge. So we have a specific rounding at the cutting edge, but also the clearance angle on the OD is specifically developed to achieve the latest requirements at the customer side. And also what we are using is a specific carbide grade to achieve the highest tool life, to reduce the cost per part at the customer side. Yeah.
Okay, so key is surface quality and I guess tool life, right? Because you want to machine many cases.
Customers all the time requirement to reduce the cycle time, to reduce the cost per part, and this is the reason why we have to increase our tool life. Yeah, this is only possible to, let me say, to work every day to improve the cutting edge technology, carbide grade coating, and the geometry.
Nice. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now we have seen our best-in-class solutions here on the EMO in Hannover. You have seen the people behind with the high knowledge how to machine these kind of components to give our customers the biggest value. Thank you very much.